Hi, do you know there's certain knowledge that you need to have when talking to a bank? Stay to the end of the video and I'm going to give you the top 5 things that you need to know talking to a bank. Hi, I'm Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind group page, and I help hundreds of aspiring ATM business owners go from 0 ATMs to ATM Business Pro in as little as 30 days. Always remember, here at PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind group page, we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time. All right, we're going to jump right in the video. The top 5 things that you need to know to become a seasoned veteran when talking to the bank. All right, we're going to do this video in honor of Mr. Quinlan. Mr. Quinlan wrote us a letter and said he was trying to get a new bank. His bank account got shut down. He was with the credit union and they shut him down. And so he was searching for a new bank. In his discovery of a new bank, he was realizing some of the challenge that he has to go through to open up a business bank account. And some of those questions were, hey, are you an MSB? Are you a money transmitter? And so he had to define those. He wrote me a nice little letter. And so I thought, you know what? I think it was a good thing that the people in the community need to realize what kind of questions they're going to have, how they're going to handle that. So we, in honor of him and because he was a great supporter of the channel, we're going to honor him. And this will help you guys if you guys come across some of these questions. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. Point number 1, always bring your corporation papers when opening up a business bank account. So almost everybody that we talk to, they're opening up a corporation, LLC, S Corp, something of that nature. And you know what? You bring those corporate documents to the bank along with a photo ID, and then that'll help you open up a business bank account. Now, a lot of people say, oh, Phil, can I open up a business bank account on a sole proprietorship or I'm a DBA? It can be done, but it makes it a lot harder. That's why we always tell you guys, open up a corporation. This will ensure that the bank is knowing that they are dealing with somebody who's professional and is serious about being in business. Point number 2, processing agreement. This is starting to become the new norm. I've been talking about this for a while. Back in the day, we didn't need a processing agreement, but more and more banks, and I get it almost every week, people are calling me, hey, Phil, I need a processing agreement. Hey, can you help me out? Their bank is asking me for some agreement. What can I do? So this is a processing agreement the bank is looking for to make sure that you're real and that you don't just have an ATM somewhere in your garage and you're processing or what they would consider laundering money. So they want to ensure that you are a legitimate business owner. So this is starting to become the new norm. They're asking for a processing agreement. Now, it doesn't mean that they will every time. Some banks they're not asking for a processing agreement, but in case you get that question, you'll know how to handle that. Some people also say, Phil, hey, I'm just starting out in business. I don't have an agreement yet. I don't have a location. How can I give them a location agreement, a processing agreement? Actually, they want a processing agreement, not necessarily a location agreement, but they want to know that you're real. So we can help you if you guys run into that. PDQ Merchant Enterprises can help you, provide you that paperwork to help you get a business bank account set up. So if you're interested in starting a profitable ATM business but didn't know where to start, stay to the end of the video and I will share with you our checklist on how to start an ATM business the right way and avoid costly mistakes along the way. In this checklist, I will share with you the 5 things you need to start a profitable ATM business so you can build a passive income source for your family. You'll have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success so you can earn between $250 and $1,500 of passive income every single month. All right, let's get back to the video. Point number 3, this one's always a tough one. This comes up all the time. Have a definition of what an MSB is or money service business is. All right, and know that in the ATM business, we are not a money service business. Basically, the basic definition of a money service business is somebody who buys and sells currency. We do not buy and sell currency. The ATM business pretty much is defined as what we're doing is when the cardholder comes in, they put their card in, the networks verify that those funds are in their account, then it releases the ATM to release money. And really what we're doing is we're providing a short-term loan for basically 24 hours for that money. So we're really in the loan business, not in the money service business at all. So please, again, have a definition. You can look it up online, what a money service business is, because all too often, some of the people that you're dealing with think automatically you're a money service business, and we are not. So have a clear definition, tuck it away in your pocket, have it in your papers, just in case they say, oh, you're a money service business. We do not do business with money service businesses. Point number 4, money transmitter. Sometimes you will get that, you know what, oh, you guys are a money transmitter, and that is incorrect. The ATMs do not have the capability, again, get the definition, look it up online, what a money transmitter is, and it clearly states that it has the ability to transmit funds from one account to another. We do not transfer funds. None of the ATMs that we operate transfer funds. So just make sure that you understand that to a different account. Now what's happening is again, what you're doing is when the cardholder comes in, what it does is it's verifying that money is in your account, and then it's releasing those funds through the ATM. And the ATM business doesn't transfer funds from one account to another. That would be a money transmitter, which ATM business is clearly not. And we in the ATM business, and if you have an ATM, you are not transferring funds. And point number 5, when you're in the bank, always open up 3 business accounts. I'm a big proponent of the 3 business account. Now, the only caveat to 3 business accounts is, you know what, if they're going to charge you $15 per business account per month, you know what, then what you want to do is just open up 2 until you get your first ATM, and then open up that 3rd one. So that'll save you some dollars, but I'm a big proponent of the 3 accounts. What are the 3 accounts, Phil? One for your vault cash. That's going to be the money that you're going to put into the ATM. It's going to go back in an account, and you're going to rinse and repeat. You're going to keep on doing that time and time again. The second account is a surcharge account. Now, for me, the reason I like the surcharge account is the surcharge money goes into that account, and once a week or at the end of the month, I transfer all that money into the checking account. That way, I can reconcile my checkbook, and I'm not getting hit with a bunch of deposits every day. But that's the reason why we do the surcharge account. And then the 3rd account is your general checking account. That's for your business expenses, cell phone, car payment, gas. You have to buy new ATMs, things like that, parts, paper, whatever you're thinking of. We're doing that all through the general business account. Keep all this separate from your personal too. If you got to write yourself a personal check, then do so out of the general checking account. But keep it all separate to keep underneath the corporate veil of the ATM business that you set up. And so you don't want to use it for personal expenses, your ATM business. So if you're interested in starting your own ATM business, I want to invite you to my free checklist entitled ATM Passive Business Income Checklist, where I'll share with you the 5 things you need to start a profitable ATM business so you can start earning passive income, make more money, and spend more time with your family. So click the link down below and start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises and the ATM Mastermind Group page, where we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time. Thank you guys very much.